How to create a free YouTube video intro. We'll be using canva.com, and you can simply scroll down and click on video, and there you'll see the option of YouTube intro. I've already opened a page, you can see it right there, and then over here in the left hand you can see they give you tons of free templates that you can use. You simply edit them the way you would like them for your video. Let's click on one so you can see an example. Here you can see a selected one. If you are doing a cooking video, you could use this one. You can edit the words right there or there, and in the middle there they have a short video clip. You could use that video clip as it's royalty free, or you can place another video clip, one of your own, right in that video. You simply just click on upload, and you can upload any video off your desktop. And it's completely free to download and use. You can change the colors, everything. And to download it, you will click on the arrow in the top right hand corner. The only reason why you're seeing pay and download now is because the video is actually, you would have to pay $1 to use the video, their video.